Everyone, welcome back to another table topic session. So the table topic for today is okay. So laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the best medicine. There are we come across article news that laughing is a medicine, and I truly agree with the point that laughter is the best medicine. So it's very easy to be stressed in today's world because there are constantly things are happening around us. Constantly there are things trying to induce FOMO in us. So whenever we feel like uh, stressed or at least I try to think of the ways where I can enjoy or where I can laugh. And when you sometimes if you try to remember there will be multiple scenarios. You were very tense and you happen to watch a video or happen to be in a scenario and it induced a genuine laughter out of you. Just try to remember that feeling, how good you have felt just after that. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughing is the medicine. Is it important to laugh? Because there is also scientific facts about or uh, it that when you laugh, a lot of muscles on your face gets worked out and they produce some kind of hormone and that makes you feel good. So it is important to laugh, and if you are not able to laugh, try to find scenarios, try to find examples, try to find places, try to find videos where you can laugh. So uh, the message, the important thing is that laughing is the medicine. Try to find scenarios. And when we think about it, we try to acknowledge that what a small thing it is to laugh. And still people are not able to enjoy their life, are not able to laugh. Uh, so if they are not able to laugh, they are missing out on something. I'm saying do not miss those kinds of opportunities. Laughter is the best medicine. Thank you.